Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Camry versus Honda Accord. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which sedan best fits your needs. Both vehicles are renowned for their dependability and strong resale value, making them excellent choices in the midsize segment. Let's dive into what sets each one apart, from performance to interior features. When it comes to performance, the Camry offers a range of engines, including a powerful V6 and an efficient hybrid, providing a smooth, comfortable ride. The Accord, on the other hand, typically features responsive four-cylinder engines and a refined hybrid option, often delivering a more engaging and agile driving experience with sharper handling. Inside, the Camry often focuses on practicality and comfort, with intuitive controls and ample space for passengers. The Accord's interior frequently boasts a more modern and upscale design, sometimes with slightly better material quality. Both vehicles come equipped with comprehensive safety suites and user-friendly infotainment systems, ensuring a connected and secure journey. Ultimately, choosing between the Camry and Accord depends on your preferences. If you prioritize a smooth, comfortable ride and proven reliability, the Camry is an excellent choice. If you prefer a sportier feel, more agile handling, and a slightly more upscale interior, the Accord might be for you. Both offer exceptional value and strong resale. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.